The key differentiators to the HRX solution are first and foremost that it can be agile and it's tailored to meet the customer needs. So a lot of our solutions begin where we might have helped the client with a diagnostic and where we've looked at what the current trends are within their business and where they need support and help. And it's different things to different clients. Some have an issue with cost and they're spending a lot of money on recruitment agencies. So we can come in and design a solution that guarantees low agency usage. Others, they're looking for people in incredibly hard to fill talent segments. And what we need to do is actually work with them or partner with them for a strategic sourcing based model. And it's not cost that's the primary driver there, it's getting the time to fill down and it's getting the quality of staff in what are often really candidate short markets. The other thing I think it's important to note is we're able to offer clients a vendor agnostic solution. So that is, we don't have any partnerships or preferred agreements or arrangements with recruitment agencies, and we don't have any agency arm of our own business. So we will be able to go in, partner with the business that we're involved with and look at exactly what their needs are and provide them the best solution every time. The one thing that they all have and the one thing that all solutions benefit from is not just the on-site presence, it's the specialist support that comes from off-site. And what that allows you to do is not having recruiters trying to do extra elements that they're not specialised in as an adjunct to their core role within the client group. They can bounce off and get ideas from and get solutions from specialists who are key in their field. So they're experienced copywriters, they're experienced brand strategists, they're experienced search people. So all of those things feed in to the transactional people on site, and what that means is better delivery to the client. HRX at the very start looks at what the needs are for a client. Now, each client will be different in terms of what their ambitions might be, their readiness to look at different elements of the model, and it's working step by step with the client to understand their needs, and often those needs evolve. So looking at just where the start point is and what the solution is when we engage with you on day one would be a mistake. Looking at what has been achieved, looking at pushing the boundaries, looking at trying to continue to innovate and make sure that we're adding some value into the client means that over a period of time, we'll work with you to build the client's own capability. And what that allows the client to do is if it decides to make a decision further down the track that they would like to build more of their own capability and retain HRX to provide some specialist services that they don't have specialisation for, they can go down that path. If it's us helping them build that capability and processes and having helped them through the change management piece and having the stakeholders understand the value of an internal team and an internal model, whether that's RPO or whether that's the client's own people, that's done over a period of time. So I think that there's no set structure or timeline that we work to, but it's more about understanding clients' needs at any given time and reacting to those needs and looking for where we can add the most value.